see like the weather is today in New Mexico. Oh, look. It's snowing. Can you believe this shit? New Mexico. Let's see, it was snowing last night. Snowing when we went to bed last night. Still snowing. Still snowing. This is New Mexico. You know? Average highs here are 60. But now I see Reimers and his wife are here in a red Corvette. Nope. It's the first snowstorm they've had in 3 years. Corvette cannot catch a break. This shit is following us, I swear. It's been 10 days now trying to get home. And it just keeps snowing. Good morning. Good morning. So as to if we will ever get home or not, I don't know, but I know one thing. I know a certain car that's getting tired of this shit. Cause it just won't quit snowing. It just won't quit snowing. It snows, snows, and snows. All it does is snow. It keeps snowing. We are stuck in Holiday Express. There's the car. There's the Corvette, as usual. All covered in fucking snow. Unbelievable. Can't catch a break. It's gonna snow all day, probably. We'll get out here till tomorrow. Car's staying right there. See you soon, Tyler. See you soon, everybody.